In today's video, I am going to teach you how to filter Stripe test logs by date. Start by making sure you are already signed in to your Stripe dashboard and working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account, because logs are tied to the account and environment you are viewing. Next, switch to the sandbox environment that contains the test activity you want to review. Before you continue, confirm that you are looking at sandbox data and not live activity. This helps you avoid reviewing the wrong set of API requests. Once you are in the correct environment, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Developers. From there, open Logs. This will take you to the page where Stripe records API requests from your sandbox activity. At the top of the Logs page, click the Date filter. Stripe will show several preset date ranges that you can use right away. These usually include options like last hour, last 12 hours, today, last 7 days, last 14 days, and last 30 days. If one of these matches the time period you need, simply select it. If you need to review a more specific period, choose the Custom Date Range option instead. Then enter the from date and time for the beginning of the period you want to check. After that, enter the to date and time for the end of the period. Before applying the filter, check the time zone shown by Stripe. This is an important detail because your test activity may appear at different times depending on the time zone being used. Make sure the displayed time zone matches the period you intend to review. When your date range is ready, click Apply. The Logs page will refresh and display only the API log entries that fall within the date and time range you selected. You can now review the filtered results. If you want more detail about a specific request, click on any log entry. Stripe will open that entry so you can inspect the request and response information more closely. If you need to search a different period, open the date filter again and choose another preset range or enter a new custom range. If you want to remove the filter completely and return to the full test logs view, click Clear. After that, your Stripe test logs will be filtered according to the date range you selected, making it easier to find the exact test activity you need. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.